to the channel, guys, and a new project is on the way. I'm on my way to the site now. We've got this massive storeroom that we need to take down. That includes the roofing, the steel beams, everything needs to go, and we are moving it to a complete different location. So the owner of this store, he actually owns a farm as well, but quite far from where we live. So at the moment we are taking down this store, we are packing everything in one of the trucks, and then we are taking it up to that farm. The farm is about a 6 hours drive from where we live, so we will stay there for, it'll probably be a week or two that we will be living on the farm while the storeroom is being built and everything is being done that needs to be done. So guys, this is going to be a very exciting series. Stick around, you're gonna enjoy this one. Alright guys, so I just arrived here. As you can see, the BMW made it in here. It's a bit of a farm that we had to come into, but that was interesting and it was fun. But yeah, the guys just started on the roof now. Let me show you around. Alright, so all the positives are being taken out from the plates now, from the roof plates. Then we're going to take all the plates off. Then it's time to mark the beams, and then they're being taken apart as well. Yeah? Like it now? The batteries are inside there. That canteen, yeah, inside the kitchen, and you can just put the other info one on charge. Okay, you take that one. So just loosen everything. If the truck is here, then you pack it on. If not, you guys take lunch quickly. Okay, sir. We're gonna go fetch the other tools. It won't be long, Samito. Okay, sir. But guys, please be safe, eh? Yes, sir. Yes. Don't mess around with safety and everything. Yes, sir. Yes. It's not high, but it's high enough to have problems. Terkom, terkom. Terkom, Budi. Hati-hati. Rani. Harnas niet aanzetten. Je kunt de harnas niet aanzetten. Alright guys, so the problem now is we can't close the truck on the back. You can see there the plates are sticking out and we're still not done. We've still got quite a few to load on, but there's still a little bit of space left in the front, you see. Yeah. So now we're using the crane with a piece of wood there to not damage the plates, and then basically with the crane we push it to the front because it's too heavy. There's quite a few on top of each other, we can't pick it up. So you guys will see now. Just let's call it a clever way of moving it without having to unpack a few of them to make it lighter. You guys will see. There we go. So the plates are curved in the front, as you can see here. So the more we stack, the further the top one, you know, moves out, obviously. So we still got quite a few to stack here, and then this will come out even more and more and more. So we need the space. That's the problem here. But at this moment we'll be fine. There's a stack and a stack there, and we are almost done with taking off the roof. You guys can see we're over there now. That piece is done already. It's just that piece to there, so it's not a lot left. We'll be done here, I want to say within the next half an hour we'll be done with all the plates, and then we'll see if we're gonna start with all the purlines going across from the main beams, if we're gonna start taking them off. But I'm afraid we won't have enough time for the day because it's still quite a way to drive back home as well after work. So he's cutting everything now so we can get the chimney out from the plate. The chimney is coming from this braai over here.
The next day.
Impact gun. Yo guys, crazy 2 days. It's permanently between 35 and 40 degrees Celsius. It is incredible. The sun is really baking and we're making very good progress. The last purloins are coming down now, literally the last two, and they are welded onto the frame. They are not bolted on, so that's why Erich is just cutting them off quickly. We're actually already loaded everything onto the truck, so it's the last two, and then we're done for the week. Then we're waiting for next week. The guys are coming in next week. I probably won't be joining them. I'm on a different side then, but all these walls have to be, you know, obviously broken down so we can get the main frames out, so we can load them onto the truck as well for where they're going. I must say I'm quite happy that we are done with this for the week, just so we can, I don't know, have a bit of a break. We are quite tired, the guys are tired. It's been a long week. We've been working longer hours as well, so yeah, it puts a bit of strain on the body, that's for sure. But guys, I hope you enjoyed everything that you saw so far. Stick around for when we're taking the main beams off. That's going to be interesting. We're going to have a breaker here, a big machine that's going to break the walls down and the concrete is standing in. And then obviously also the building of this store. It's going to be cool. It's going to be very nice. It's a beautiful farm it's on. It's literally, we call it the Karoo. It's basically fynbos, like a desert area. But not just sand. It's very nice. It's beautiful there. There's lots of wild animals, so I think you guys will really enjoy that one as well. So stick around if you haven't done so already. Like and subscribe to the channel and you won't miss a thing.
Ja, yes. Hier niet enkel rijden. Kom maar, kom maar. Dan kan maar nog komen.